Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must start by confirming legality and hardware limits. Check local laws because most jurisdictions ban video visible to the driver. That matters. Then make sure you know the exact Escalade infotainment or rear entertainment model and read the owner manual for built-in safety interlocks. Once done, identify whether the system allows passenger-only playback or headrest monitors. This determines your safe options without attempting risky overrides that could be illegal and unsafe. Once you know your system, enable passenger-only playback using factory rear entertainment or headrest monitors. You can insert the DVD into the rear unit or connect a portable DVD player to the rear inputs. The passenger can control playback with the rear remote. Make sure audio is routed to rear speakers or paired Bluetooth headphones so the driver isn't distracted. If the factory system supports it, select the passenger display mode so video stays off the driver dash while passengers watch. Finish by confirming everyone's safe. Set volume, hand the remote to a passenger, and keep the driver's screen blank. Do not attempt to defeat parking brake or motion interlocks. Overriding them is unsafe and likely illegal. If playback doesn't start, check cables, Bluetooth pairings, and DVD region or disc format compatibility, and try a different disc. If problems persist, pull over safely to troubleshoot or visit a dealer. That keeps you legal and keeps everyone alive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.